So I just wanted to
Okay,
see if you
okay.
understood the four things, right?
Mm-hmm.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm great. Thank you for asking. My name is
Okay.
Priya. What's your
Yeah, my name is Ashwin Shetty. When it comes to my introduction, I'm from southern part of India. My native place is Mangalore. Currently, I'm connecting from Israel. For the past 3 years, I'm working in Israel. Yeah, that's all. So, what do you
Okay.
do as a profession?
Oh, that's great. That's great. I am in my final year of law school. I'm also from
Okay.
South India. I'm from Kerala.
You're from?
Kerala.
Oh, you're from Kerala. Okay, so you are from you are like for us like border. So very
Yes.
close to Kerala also for me. So I'm from Mangalore. Yeah.
Yes. Very close.
Mm-hmm.
Have you been to Kerala before?
Sorry.
Have you been to Kerala before?
Yeah, I have been many times Kerala. I went to Cochin. I went to Trivandrum, and Kasargod, Kumble. Those places are all very
Yeah.
close to us. Have you been Mangalore anytime?
I've not gone there per
Mm-hmm.
se, but when we travel through train, we obviously have to pass through Mangalore.
Yeah,
To
Mangalore Central. Yeah.
yeah, so
Uh-huh.
that way, yes, I have passed through it, but I've not actually visited the city or the town.
Okay.
Okay,
So you're
so I
connecting from right now from which part of Kerala? You said,
yes, I'm from Kochi.
okay, you're from Kochi. Okay.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ashwin, our topic for today is
Mm-hmm.
business ideas. Have you had a chance to look at the session document?
I have not gone into deep, but randomly I had checked. Yesterday only I have booked your session. I have
Yeah,
not got time to see depth.
that's all right. That's all right. Um, so
Mm-hmm.
I thought it would be fun to. So our topic is actually on business ideas, and if you have any
Okay.
business ideas, just general stuff like that. But I thought it would
Uh-huh.
be fun if we could do a sort of extempo. Do you know what an extempo is?
What does it mean?
Extempo is when you've probably done this in school. When it's like you get a topic and you have to speak about it for like 2 or 3 minutes.
Yeah, when it comes to business, I have a optical business. What you're doing, the specs, Mangalore. There is a small shop. I have started from 2017, but still my business is there. So initially it was not good. In the midway it was good, and again came down. So right
Yeah.
now my staff is taking care of that business. Yeah, now it's quite good as compared to my like olden days.
Okay.
So
Um.
yeah, when it comes to business we have a lot of courage to do, because if you have enough money is there is okay. Otherwise, if you not have enough money in your bank account, maybe you would go for like how I can say that you may be stressful also, or you may go for bankrupt also in the future. So
Yeah.
that is why, for avoiding that, I'm working in Israel now. Yeah. So business
Oh.
anytime come down, or come up. So we can't predict in the right manner. Yeah.
Yeah. That's true. That's true. Is there
Hmm.
um is there any business or any business concept that fascinates you?
Actually, hotel businesses, I would like to, I have a interest to do that business. But in the
Okay.
other ways, I'm getting a little bit scared also. So if anything goes wrong in the future, or it would be difficult for me to survive, and socially also, I would be a little bit, how I can say that, difficult for my family as well. Yeah, in that
Oh,
way. But hotel business is, that is my area. We could say that. Yeah, we can say that.
By hotel business, do you mean like a restaurant, or do you mean like,
Restaurant, yes, yes. Yeah, hotel
okay,
is nothing but restaurants, according to me. Yeah,
okay. And what type of food would you like to serve in your
I
hotel?
would like to serve, typical breakfast, Kerala and Mangalore, how people they eat idli, sambar, dosa, and puri bhaji, something like that, masala dosa, and all those kind of stuffs, people likes. So
Yeah,
according to people likes, we have to go. How they people like to taste. What kind of food they like.
yeah.
Yeah, in that way we have to serve for them. Yeah, so depend upon area. Yeah, some residence
Okay.
if many residence area is there, then we have to go for kind of vegetarian is good, and some kind of
Yeah.
industrial area and all we have to go for non-veg as well. So kind of like that my thinking. Yeah.
Okay. That's true. That's true. We have to adapt to the situation, right?
Yes, definitely. Yeah.
Yes. So I have a question for you.
Okay.
Do you think that parents should choose their children's career?
See, according to children interest and their performance in the elementary school, because you cannot pressurize for the children, because nowadays that extracurricular activities is there in the school. Some people they go for drama and kind of celebrity, and they go for sports kind of activities like cricket and kabaddi. All different kind of sports are available nowadays. So you have to understand for the children. So we need to sit and discuss with them. So once they finish their 10th standard, I mean SSLC, we need to discuss, because they are also matured enough to talk with us. What kind of they are looking for interest. Some people they go for science, some people they go for commerce kind of study, and we need to understand for them. And if both
Yes.
of us we are matching, then we'll go for whatever they like. We have to prepare for them, kind of. And also if something is not going well, I mean we have to convince them for them. No, this is the profession is not going well now in the market. Maybe you can try for this. Maybe if they are okay with that, maybe we can continue for that. Yeah, I would say like that. Yeah.
That's very nice. And what would you do if your child comes up to you and they say that they want to be an unconventional profession, like a singer, or they want to be a dancer? What would your reaction be?
When it comes to my children, you are asking.
Yeah,
Yeah, if we need to, what I do, I have to discuss with my wife also. What kind of, that preference they like. Maybe if someone is very good at dance, someone is very good at music, we have to encourage for them. Maybe, in the plus 12. In the meantime, they have to balance their education as well, because education is very important nowadays. Someone should be graduate, post graduation. I mean, that would be helpful for their future, career level. So we have to support for them, including extracurricular activities as well as their studies as well. Yeah, that would be helpful for them. Yeah.
yeah. Okay, yes. That's very nice. That's a very nice thought process, right? That you won't discourage them, but you'd also tell them to balance their
Yeah.
studies and their interests,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's very,
Definitely.
yes.
Hmm.
Um, so one last question, and then we'll sort of move on to some corrections and feedback. Okay.
Hmm.
Um, what is an unusual business idea that you would like to start in the future? Like hypothetically, I'm not saying you'll actually start it, but let's imagine there is, you have a lot of resources. Okay. Imagine, like it's an imaginary situation. You have a lot of resources. You can do whatever you want. What
Hmm.
unusual or unconventional business idea would you pursue?
say right now I'm in living with the not like city and not like villages, like urban in an urban area. I would like
Yeah.
to looking for agricultural because nowadays agriculture is going down day by day. I would see the right place where supari and coconut kind of and vegetables where we can grow in the right way. So that kind of I'm not, this is not business, but also we could say that we can say that like kind of agricultural. Now see, during the COVID time, many people were struggle to getting food and they getting vegetables, those kind of stuffs. But in that way, so that's what we can't predict in the future what will happen. So better I would like to go for agriculture. Yeah, that's why I'm going to tell you. Yeah.
Okay. That's great. That's great. That's true. Even today, I think the prices of vegetables are too much, right? Too high because of the low.
Also, many people are moving from urban area to city place. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly. They're moving from rural places. Yes. Okay.
yeah.
So I noticed a few things that we can improve
Mm-hmm.
on. Okay.
Okay.
Um, First thing I realized, I noticed was you use the word for a lot,
For. Okay.
for a lot
Okay.
in
Uh-huh.
places where it should not be used.
Okay. Yeah.
Like, for example, you said you cannot pressurize for the children.
To the children.
You cannot pressurize children. There is no
Okay.
for the
No
for there. You can't,
prepositions. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
you can't pressurize children, right?
Okay.
Or
Yeah.
you said encourage for them. It's just
Okay.
encourage them.
Encouraging. Encourage them.
Encourage.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no
Okay.
for in between, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's two places I wanted to tell you. There were more places, but then let's just focus on these two areas, right? So that's one thing
Okay.
I noticed. You use the word for in between, sentences.
Okay.
Um,
Mm-hmm.
Another thing is you use the word like that, the
Mm-hmm.
word like that quite a bit.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
It's
I
not
need
a
to
bad
avoid
thing.
for that word. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's not entirely a bad thing because
Mm-hmm.
I own fillers quite a bit, but
Mm-hmm.
it becomes like I wouldn't say problematic, but then it would sort of decrease your confidence when you keep saying like that, like that, like that, right?
It doesn't look good, I think. Yeah, when I give
Uh,
presentation. Yeah.
exactly. So in that sense, we can try to not avoid entirely, but just
Okay.
decrease the number of times we say like that.
Okay. I will try to correct myself. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you a sentence, and I want you to correct it.
Okay.
Okay. And this is your sentence. We need to understand for them.
Okay.
What correction can you make, sir?
What you said, we need to understand them.
We need to understand for them.
Hmm. We need to understand their feelings.
Yes, yes, that is also correct. You added feelings, but yes, that is correct. The
Hmm.
correction here is we don't need for, right? So it's just
Okay.
we need to
Okay.
understand them. There's no for there. So I just wanted to
Okay.
see if you
Okay.
understood the for thing, right?
Hmm.
Um, Another thing that I noticed was a past tense issue that we can deal with. You said during COVID, many people were struggled to get vegetables,
Hmm.
right?
Struggle to.
Instead,
Mm.
yes,
Mm.
exactly. Struggled to it's past tense, right? It happened
Hmm.
in the past. It is COVID.
Okay.
That time is over, right? So many people
Hmm.
struggled to get vegetables,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah. What is the right word?
Many people struggled to get vegetables. What you said
Okay.
was many people were struggled.
Okay, okay. Struggle to get vegetables. The right word.
Yes. So there's a D
Okay,
after struggle because it's past tense, right?
okay,
Right? Okay. So I'm going to say a sentence and I want you to correct it. Okay?
okay.
Um, I am go to Kochi in the past.
Sorry,
I am go to Kochi in the past.
I went to Kochi.
Exactly. Very good.
Hmm.
Yay, you're getting hang of the past tense, right?
Yeah,
Right? Um,
yeah.
okay, another um we um we should listen for them.
We should listen for them.
Yes. What is the
We
correct
should
one?
listen to them.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes. I'm so glad you understood the for thing. So I think you've understood where for should be
Yeah,
used
but
and where
while
for.
talking, the like go with the flow. Sometimes,
Yeah.
yeah, I'm talking very fast. Wordings are not coming from my mouth in the right word. Maybe. Yeah.
It's okay. As we practice, we'll get used to it, right?
Yes. I would like to
Okay.
rectify myself. Mm.
That is great. That is great. Our session will end very soon,
Okay.
but it was great talking to you, and I hope to see you for future sessions.
Yeah, I had a like very good interact with you. Yeah, looking
Okay.
forward to one more session
Likewise.
with you. Yeah.
Likewise. Likewise. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. Have a
Okay,
great
thanks for
day.
having me. Bye. Take care.